Parivartanam eva sthiramasti. The only constant is change. That's why in the field of Ayurveda, a major reform has been made. CCIM has been dissolved and in its place NCISM का गठन किया गया है. NCISM यानी National Council for Indian System of Medicine. All of you might be knowing about this. आप लोगों ने बहुत से कमेंट किए थे इसके बारे में जानने के लिए, इसलिए आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे NCISM. What are its objective? क्या है इस एक्ट में? कॉमन एग्जिट टेस्ट कब से लागू होगा? क्या पीजी के लिए अलग से एग्जाम होगा? हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल ऑफ Apta Ayurveda and I am Sneha Ghosh. So let's begin. CCIM was formed in the year 1971 under the Indian Medicine Central Council Act 1970, which has now been changed to NCISM. This is an act to provide for a medical education system that improves access to quality and affordable medical education, ensures availability of adequate and high quality medical professionals of Indian system of medicine in all over the country, that promotes national health goals, that encourages such medical professionals to adopt latest medical research in their work and to contribute research. It has been implemented from 11th of June 2021. इसके तहत 4 बोर्ड का गठन किया गया है. पहला आयुर्वेद बोर्ड, दूसरा यूनानी सिद्धा और सोवा रिग्पा बोर्ड. They will respectively be determining the standards of education in UG, PG and other higher studies, will develop dynamic curriculum, frame guideline for setting up of medical institutions. The third is the Medical Assessment and Rating Board for Indian System of Medicine, भारतीय चिकित्सा पद्धति आकलन एवं रेटिंग बोर्ड. It will be rating the medical institutions and will be inspecting them. The fourth is the Board of Ethics and Registration for Indian System of Medicine, भारतीय चिकित्सा पद्धति आचार एवं पंजीकरण बोर्ड. It will maintain register for all licensed practitioners, promote medical ethics. इसके मेंबर कौन कौन होंगे? एक चेयरपर्सन होंगे, 15 ex officio members and 23 part-time members. So let's see what are its objective. A common final year undergraduate medical examination to be known as National Exit Test or NEXT shall be held for granting license to practice as medical practitioner of respective disciplines of Indian System of Medicine. यानी फाइनल ईयर के बाद एक कॉमन एंट्रांस टेस्ट नेक्स्ट किया होगा, जिसके तहत सभी को लाइसेंस उपलब्ध कराया जाएगा. Common counseling under the purview of NCISM. Then a uniform PG entrance test will be conducted separately for admission to PG courses. यानी लाइसेंस के लिए अलग से एग्ज़ाम होगा और PG के लिए अलग से एग्ज़ाम होगा. Fourth, it will be operational within 3 years from the date on which this act comes into force. मतलब ये एक्ट जैसे 11 जून 2021 को पारित हुआ था, उससे 3 साल के अंदर तक ये लागू होगा. Any person with foreign medical qualification shall have to qualify next for obtaining license to practice. Sixth, a national teachers eligibility test shall be conducted separately for the postgraduates of each discipline of Indian System of Medicine who desire to take up teaching profession in that discipline. It means teachers को भी अलग से national entrance test देना होगा teacher बनने के लिए भी. It will also become operational within 3 years from the commencement of this act. And seventh, every institution should maintain a website at all times and display in its website all such info may be required by the Commission. Hope all your confusions are cleared. That's all for today's segment. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.